Touch your toes. मेरा touch your toes. अरे very good. अब हम सुई जा. अरे हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज हम जो चैलेंज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है 1000 जंप रोप्स फॉर अ वीक। सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इन दिस चैलेंज इज दैट मैं एवरी डे फॉर अ वीक आई एम गोना डू 1000 जंप रोप्स एंड एवरी डे मैं 100 और बढ़ाते जाऊंगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन डे 1 दैट इज टुडे आई एम गोना डू 1000। On day 2 I'm gonna do plus 100 so 1100। वैसे 100 जंप रोप्स मैं बढ़ाती जाऊंगी every single day। I think बचपन में लास्ट किया था मैंने जंप रोप्स, उसके बाद किया नहीं था। So today I'm gonna try that। I hope I can do it easily। Let's start with the challenge। I don't even remember the last time I did it, so I think एक टाइम में 10 भी हो जाए तो भी बहुत है। I'll set the workout on my watch because I don't think otherwise I'll be able to keep a count of 1000 jumps। So shall we start? More to go. I took a break longer than 30 seconds, but I think I needed that. So please listen to your body when you're working out. If it needs rest, just give it. Don't push yourself. Start it 2 minutes later, which is fine, but understand your body, know your body, and then do it. I have not been working out before this. मतलब मैं सिर्फ वॉक पे या जॉग पे वैसे जाया करती थी। कुछ मैंने अपना कार्डियो हार्डकोर किया फॉर अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, ना ही मैंने कुछ और तरह के वर्कआउट्स किए हैं। So this is as good as starting as a fresher. So I'm happy. मुझे लगा नहीं था मेरे लिए इतना easy हो जाएगा doing the first 600. I mean, I thought it's going to take much longer, but then I'm glad I could reach this milestone, and now 400 more to go. Done with 1089 steps. So guys, I am finally done with my 1000 jump ropes. Actually, honest review दूँ तो I was really scared of doing this. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊंगी, बट एज इन व्हेन आई केप्ट गोइंग आई फेल्ट गुड एंड आई पुश्ड माई सेल्फ एंड वो हुआ। बट देन आई पुश्ड माई सेल्फ नोइंग कि दिस इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट डे। तो एवरी 100-200 जम्प्स पे आई टुक अ 30 सेकेंड ब्रेक। आई थिंक दैट वॉज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी। इन केस अगर आप लोग भी ट्राई कर रही हो तो प्लीज नो एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी और उसी हिसाब से करना। यू डोंट नीड टू पुश योर सेल्फ ऑन डे 1। अदर देन दैट आई थिंक आई एम फीलिंग फ्रेश इन फैक्ट आफ्टर डूइंग दिस। But मैं अभी in the end I'm still gonna do some stretches or probably light yoga because I don't want soreness in my muscles tomorrow. So it is very important that I stretch and I loosen up the muscles. So guys, आज है day 2 of 1000 jump ropes. I'll give you a review of how I was feeling since yesterday. My legs, actually my calf muscles were a little sore. I was limping in the morning. मैंने क्या किया अभी, I did a little bit of warm up and stretching right now. So थोड़े से जो tight हो गए थे muscles वो अभी loose हो गए हैं. So I'm feeling better. Also ना मैंने कल रात को बैठ के फिर Google किया, you know how long does it take to do the 1000 skipping, and मैंने देखा people are finishing that in like 15 minutes and 17 minutes. They say that you should be doing 100 jumps in a minute. I'm gonna be very honest, मेरा वो हुआ नहीं. It took me much longer. I think it took me around half an hour to finish 1000. So I'm still okay with it because मैं अपनी pace पे जा रही हूँ. I am absolutely fine. Today though I have to do 1100 jumps. So I am gonna start with it now. Down with 400, 700 more to go.
with 1100 jump ropes for today. It was much better than yesterday. I got less tired. I felt more energetic. But I'd like to tell you one thing that I'm feeling. I'm feeling very dehydrated. So make sure during the day that you drink a lot of water. Practice safe and please do warm up and then relax your body, because otherwise your legs will be very, very sore the next day. So do that and I'll see you tomorrow.
So guys, it's day 3 and I'm already done with my warm-up. But before starting with the exercise, I would want to tell you how I'm feeling after the first 2 days. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम के बाद वर्कआउट चालू किया है and this intensity, my legs were going to get very sore, जो कि हुआ, my muscles were very very tight and कल वर्कआउट करने के बाद रात को it was hurting a lot. So what I did was I used some balm and I applied it on my foot and also I soaked my legs in warm water. I think which is why आज मैं काफी better feel कर रही हूँ. So let's start. Plugged in my earphones today because I thought it's better to like have a little groove while you're working out. So done with 300, 900 more to go. Actually आप लोगों को बताना भूल गए, we are gonna do 1200 today. So guys, done with 1200 skipping. And honestly speaking, ये third day is feeling much better than the first 2 days. Plus first day पे मैं एक साथ सिर्फ 20 कर पा रही थी. Right now I could do almost 100 and beyond in one attempt, and then I had to take break or whatever. But then मैं एक साथ 100 कर पा रही थी, which is like an achievement in 2 days. तो टाइम भी इसलिए आज कम लगा मुझे. I'm happy, I'm feeling much better. I don't think I have any soreness. Yeah, now I'm just gonna cool down. I'm just gonna do some stretching for my legs and I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, it is already day 4 today and we are going to do 1300 skipping. थोड़ी सी soreness है, which generally is if you have been working out every day, but feeling a lot more energy and core strength भी मुझे लग रहा है बढ़ी हुई है. So let's not waste any more time and get on with day 4. Done with 1300 guys. Oh my god, feeling so much better on day 4. I don't know if this happens with everyone, but I am genuinely glad I chose this exercise. I'm feeling so energetic. I am not feeling any soreness. I think I did it much quicker than I did yesterday. It's a very nice exercise. I think everybody should do that at home. Myra, start exercising. Start with the mountain pose. Mountain pose करो. Very good. Jumping करो, jumping.
Jumping on the bed.
Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
No.
हाँ, very good. Leg straight करो, leg straight करो. हाँ, हाथ touch करो.
Now touch your toes. Mera, touch your toes. अरे very good. अब हम सुई जा. अरे very good. अब आप क्यों कर? So guys, what you just saw was my niece giving me company in the warm-up that I was doing today. And yes, we both did a little bit of warm-up and now I'm ready. It's day 5 and let's start with the jump ropes. Done with 700 more to go. Reached halfway. Wish me luck. So guys, done with today's target. 1400 jumps done. I did one mistake today, that is I am working out after a heavy meal. Like I took an hour's break, but then this is happening after a heavy meal, which I do not recommend. Please do not work out after a heavy meal. Even though 1 घंटे का break हो जाता है, मत करो. अगर आप heavy meal के बाद कर रहे हो तो at least 2 से 3 घंटे का gap दो. Actually felt little tired and low on energy today while working out, but I'll just do my final stretches and I'll see you tomorrow. So it's getting better every day. Soreness काफ़ी कम हो रही है. Feeling lot more energetic. I can feel the core getting stronger and stronger every day. आज ज़्यादा कुछ बात नहीं करते हैं. Let's get on with the workout today. आज हम कर रहे हैं, since it's day 6, we are doing 1500 jump ropes today. Hope to reach that target soon. હમણાં બુઆ સ્કીપિંગ કરે છે, ખીચડી પછી ખાશે. 10 minutes. बाय बाय. मुझे डिनर के लिए बुलावा आया है. I'll have to go, but before that I have to finish my last 500. Done with 1500 today. After the workout, I am feeling thoda sa tired. I don't know what do you call that part, you know, the curved part on your foot. वहाँ पे आज थोड़ा सा मेरे को strain आया, थोड़ा सा खींच रहा है मेरे को. I hope I recover that by tomorrow. And tomorrow is the last day. I'm super excited. I'm able to finish this. And now I'll just do some cooling down workouts and I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, it is the last day today. I am super pumped up to start with the workout. I'm already done with my warm up और हम directly अब जाते हैं last day of skipping. Today we are gonna do 1600 jumps and I'm gonna be telling you my entire review of the last 7 days, how it has been after the workout. Halfway there, 800 more to go. Done with my 7-day challenge of 1,000 jump ropes every single day. I'm super happy about it. Also, I'll give you a quick review of how it went and the effects of it. Firstly, I would say that I felt lot more energized now than what I used to. Lethargic nahi feel hota. I am really active during the day. So that's a benefit that I had. Other than that, I would really recommend to please do warm up and then cool down if you don't want any soreness in your body. ये बहुत ज़्यादा essential होता है. And starting के 2-3 दिन में आपको soreness हमेशा ज़्यादा होती है. But please don't give up because of that, because it gets better with every single day. एंड अगर आपको सोनेस हो रहा है तो व्हाट आई डिड, यू कैन डू द सेम, यू नो यू कैन डू सम लेग स्ट्रेचेस एंड एक्सरसाइजेस, या तो फिर आप यू नो यू कैन अप्लाई अ पेन रिलीफ balm on your legs, or you can soak it in warm water. Either of these will work and you will feel fresh the next day. I think my core is getting much stronger now. ऐसा बोला जाता है that 1 hour of walking is equivalent to 1,000 skipping. So you know I think this was much quicker, and I could feel a lot more strength in my core. So that's another benefit that you get out of it. The last thing that I want to say is the weight loss. So आप लोगों को जानना है how much did I lose in a week. So I would like to tell you guys that in this 1 week's time I lost almost a kg till now, and I am super happy कि एक week में losing 1 kg is a huge deal. And obviously it was not just the workout, I also took care of my diet. अगर आप लोगों को भी ये challenge try करना है please कीजिए. It's so much fun, it's really energetic. Also, I'd like to close up today's video on this note. So आप लोग अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है then please like कीजिए, share कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए. कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे comment section में बताइए. Do let me know if you guys want me to do these kind of challenges more, कोई workout challenge or of any other kind. Please do let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.